I am Dr. Niti Gupta. I am a radiologist practicing in Delhi, and I came for this Asian Pain Musculoskeletal Ultrasound Interventions Fellowship. So I had done the 6-month course prior to this, in which we had online lectures followed by this 4-day workshop in which we had hands-on experience on a volunteer. All in all, the course was really good. Everything was very well done. The lectures were very extensive. The teachers especially are very cooperative. They are very patient, and they are very approachable, very easy. Easily we can ask them questions and they answer every doubt of yours, especially in the workshop part. So it was a very pleasant experience. All the staff in the clinics are also very supportive. So it's a very conducive environment for learning, very easygoing, and you actually learn a lot of things, even from their patients, from sir's experience, and of course their demonstrations and lectures. So all in all, it was a great learning experience, and I hope to continue forward with these interventions, what I have learned in my own practice. Thank you.